If you're looking for some ideas for a tea party or simply a healthy, easy to make snack for a movie night at home, I have a great idea for you. This grape and cheese canape is a little interesting surprise for someone special. Let's get started. Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
Ingredients you will need: some fresh grapes, a few pieces of processed cheese, mayonnaise sauce, fresh coconut flesh, and mung bean spiral wrapper. Firstly, fold the wrapper in half and roll into a funnel, and use some egg white to glue the edges. Then deep fry to shape it into a cone shell. Fresh grapes with all colors like red, green, and black, you cut in halves. These grapes contain natural antioxidants that can help keep the heart healthy. Grapes are also resistant to cancer activities and have a potential to maintain brain health. Next, dice the processed cheese and the coconut flesh. Then in a bowl, mix the grapes with some cheese and coconut flesh and add mayonnaise sauce and peppers and salt. Then mix well. Place the cone shells in a small shot glass and then transfer the cheese grape salad in. Sprinkle with some roasted black sesame seeds. The acidity in the grapes balance out the richness of the cheese. It's a great combination. You can also roll up the cheese slices and then skew it into sticks with the grapes and display like this. That's my express tea table. So lovely. This kind of canape is very suitable for light afternoon tea. The crunchy corn shells outside, the juicy and sweet and sour grapes inside with crunchy coconut flesh and soft and rich cheese. That's the whole world of taste gathering in just one bite. I wish you success with the recipe, and don't forget to click like and share this video with your friends. I will see you then next time. Bye bye!